How to recover Booking.com password. If you have forgotten your Booking.com password, then you can easily recover it by following these steps. First of all, open your preferred web browser and tap in the search address bar and type down the Booking.com and navigate to its official website. Now, once in its official website, you can see login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the login or sign in button available there and navigate to the sign in options. Now, once there, type down the email address that is associated with your booking.com. So here I'm typing down my email address, and all you have to do is tap on the continue or next option available there. Now, once you do so, you'll be navigated to enter the verification code. So, in booking.com, you do not have to enter any password in order to log in. So, simply go to the Gmail, and once inside the Gmail, you will get to see booking.com verification code available there. Now, what you have to do is enter this verification code in that section because there is no password option available in your booking.com. All you have to do is navigate to the same Gmail account associated with your booking.com and see the verification code and enter it. Now, as you can see, I have entered. Now tap on the next option available there or follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Now once done, so you'll be logged into your booking.com account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.